Right, hello everybody. I am going to show you how to use some software that is developed for creating mind maps. I'm going to give you a link that will bring you to a screen that looks like this, where you will see in the center the start of a mind map, and you've got some controls along the toolbar. We're not going to need many of these to create our mind map. We're just going to need one or two of them. But what we do need to do is we do need to be able to save this file so that we can then put it into Google Docs as a picture. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we can create a mind map here. I'm going to double click in the center and I'm going to have a title. I'm just going to call it images. What I'm interested in is creating a mind map about the advantages and disadvantages of images. So what I need to do obviously is I need to extend this. So I'm going to click on it once, and then I'm going to go to this insert child node. And then I am typing advantages, and then I can click outside. Then I can click on the child node again. I can click on that, and then I can say makes the document more interesting. I want to add another one, so I can click on that, add a child node, and then I can say sets the scene. Okay. So, of course, for this, what you can do other things as well. You can change the size of the text, make it more interesting. You can do other things that if you want to play with and have a look at, you can do, which is to change the color, the type of font. But for now, I'm not going to go into that because what I want to do is just show you now how we can actually save this as a picture. Okay, I've got a very simple mind map here. The one you're going to create is going to be much more elaborate than this. You're going to have just the advantages and the disadvantages, and then you're going to show your ideas of disadvantages as well. So let's assume then that you finished your mind map. What I want to do now is I want to go to File, and I want to then create an image of this. So I'm going to go to Download As, and then I'm going to select Image. So SVG, JPG, PNG, those are the different types that are available. So what we can do is we can click on that. I will leave it at PNG. I'm going to leave it at 100%. And the background will just say, as the saying, quite boring here, but it's enough for the information that we need. And then I'm going to export it. Okay, so it's going to think about that. Now it's telling me it's ready to be downloaded. It is only going to be available for download for 24 hours, so you need to get it straight away, which I'm sure you'll do. I'm going to download this now, and there it is. Now, if you have the situation as I do, is you're going to open up into a web browser, then what we need to do is we actually need to save the file onto your computer. So you can right-click on it. Okay, I'm using Chrome here. Save file as, and then what you can do, I could suggest you put it on the desktop, change the name of it, leave the .png at the end. Okay, don't remove that, and you can call it my mind map. Okay, and then save it. I've already got one because I've already tried this once before. I'm going to overwrite it. And there we are. I now have this file that's just been downloaded, saved onto my desktop, which I can then use later on. Okay. Then the next thing I'd like you to do is I would like you to take the image that's been downloaded onto your desktop, and I would like you to use that to put it into Google Docs. And you'll see how to do that from the presentation. Thank you.